Hey, food lovers! I'm so excited to share my secret recipe for the most delicious bunny chow you've ever tasted. This South African street food favorite is gonna blow your mind with its rich flavors and unique presentation. So grab your aprons and let's get cooking this incredible dish that's taking the culinary world by storm. Alright, guys, before we start cooking, let's talk about where this awesome dish came from. Bunny chow actually has nothing to do with rabbits. It originated in Durban, South Africa in the 1940s. Indian workers needed a way to carry their curry lunches to the sugarcane fields. And some genius came up with the idea of hollowing out a loaf of bread and filling it with curry. Boom! Bunny chow was born. You know, there are a few theories about the name. Some say it comes from the word banya, which refers to an Indian merchant caste. Others think it's because the original spot selling these was called Banya's restaurant. Either way, this dish has become a huge part of South African culture and street food scene. Okay, let's gather our ingredients. You're gonna need a nice sturdy loaf of white bread, something that can hold up to our curry. For the filling, we'll use chicken, or lamb if you prefer, potatoes, onions, tomatoes, and a blend of aromatic spices like curry powder, turmeric, and garam masala. Let's start by prepping our bread. Take your loaf and carefully cut off the top. Then hollow out the inside, leaving about a 1-inch border all around. Don't throw away that bread you scooped out. We'll use it for dipping later. Trust me on this, it's the best part. Alright, let's get cooking. Heat some oil in a large pot and toss in your diced onions. Let those sweat down until they're nice and translucent. Now, add your garlic and ginger. Oh man, that smell is incredible. Next, we're adding our spices. Let them toast for a minute to really bring out their flavors. This is where the magic happens, guys. Time for the chicken. Brown it off in the spiced onion mixture. Once it's got some color, add your diced tomatoes and potatoes. Pour in some water or chicken stock. Bring it to a boil, then let it simmer until the chicken is cooked through and the potatoes are tender. The sauce should be thick and rich, perfect for soaking into our bread bowl. Here comes the fun part. Take your hollowed out bread and start ladling in that gorgeous curry. Don't be shy. Fill it right up to the brim. The bread will soak up all those amazing flavors. Pop the top back on and give it a little press. Some folks like to add a sprinkle of fresh cilantro or a dollop of yogurt on top for extra freshness. Now, how do you eat this bad boy? Well, there's no fancy way about it. Just dig in with your hands. Tear off pieces of the bread and use them to scoop up the curry. It's messy, it's fun, and it's absolutely delicious. You can serve it with a side of carrot sambal or some extra chutney if you want to kick up the heat. And remember those bread innards we saved? Perfect for mopping up any leftover sauce. And there you have it, folks, your very own homemade bunny chow. This dish is more than just a meal, it's a taste of South African history and culture. So gather your friends, roll up your sleeves, and get ready for a flavor explosion. Don't forget to experiment with different fillings. Vegetarian, beef, or even seafood work great too. Thanks for cooking with me today. Until next time, keep it tasty.